Welcome back to trading strategy number 3, day 107. Let's consider more of what we discussed yesterday. We do the same thing. We enter the market with the same criteria. However, the market never moves the same way. We enter with the exact same criteria. The market may stop us out. The market may only give us a little profit. The market may give us a lot of profit. It will only do those 3 things. One action that has 3 different results. That is not how we as people operate. We expect the same action to have the same results. Please scroll down the page to find the training materials for today's lesson. Thank you for being with me today, and I'll see you in tomorrow's lesson.